The Samsung Galaxy S26 is officially here, and while it looks familiar, it's a completely different beast under the hood. Out of the box, it's set to standard, but you want supertone? Here are the first 23 things you need to do. 1. Software update. Before you even sign into your apps, go to Settings, Software Update, and download and install. There's almost always a day 1 patch that fixes camera bugs and improves battery stability. 2. Gesture navigation. By default, you might still have the old school buttons. Go to Display, then Navigation bar, and switch to Swipe Gestures. It gives you back that valuable screen real estate. 3. Maximum resolution. Samsung often ships these at 1080p to save battery. Go to Display, Screen Resolution, and crank it up to QHD+ if you're on the Plus or Ultra. You paid for those pixels. Use them. 4. 120Hz refresh rate. In the same display menu, ensure motion smoothness is set to adaptive. This makes every scroll and animation look buttery smooth. 5. Speed up animations. This is the secret pro tip. Go to About Phone, Software Information, and tap Build number 7 times. Now, go back to the main settings menu, enter developer options, and change window, transition, and animator scales from 1x to 0.5x. The phone will feel twice as fast instantly. 6. Fingerprint sensitivity. If you put a screen protector on, go to Display and toggle on touch sensitivity. Then, re-register your fingerprints after the protector is applied for maximum accuracy. 7. Side key customization. By default, holding the power button triggers Bixby. Go to Advanced Features, then Side key, and change Press and Hold to power off menu. 8. Advanced Intelligence. This is the S26's core. Go to Settings, then Advanced Features, and select Advanced Intelligence. Here, you can enable process data only on device if you want your AI features to stay private and offline. 9. Circle to search with AI. Long press the home bar to activate. Circle to search. On the S, there's a new AI summary button that appears after you circle, something it can summarize entire articles or shopping pages in seconds. 10. Note Assist. Open the Samsung Notes app and enable the AI toolbar. It can now auto-format your messy handwriting into professional bullet points and even add covers. Based on the content. 11. Live Translate. In the phone app settings, turn on Live Translate. It provides real-time voice and text translations during phone calls. You can even mute your own voice so the other person only hears the translator. 12. Photo Remaster. Open any old photo in your gallery, swipe up, and hit Remaster. The S26 uses a new neural engine to fix lighting and sharpness better than previous models. 13. Generative Edit. In the gallery, tap the edit icon and then the AI logo. You can now move or remove objects, and the S26 will fill in the background. Pro tip, you can now expand a photo to create a wider angle that didn't exist. 14. Battery protection. Go to Battery Settings and then Battery Protection. Set it to Adaptive. It will charge to 80% overnight and finish the last 20% right before you wake up, preserving your battery health for years. 15. Extra brightness. If you're outdoors, go to Display Settings and toggle on Extra brightness. This unlocks the peak nits of the new panel, making it readable even in direct sunlight. 16. Dolby Emis. It's off by default. Go to Sounds and Vibration, Sound Quality and Effects, and toggle on Dolby Atmos for both general media and gaming. 17. Adapt Sound. While in that menu, use Adapt Sound. It plays a series of beeps to test your hearing and creates a custom EQ profile specifically for your ears. 18. Video Brightness. Search for video brightness in Settings and set it to bright. You can select specific apps like YouTube or Netflix to automatically boost screen brightness and colors when you start watching. 19. Customize the quick panel. Swipe down twice, tap the pencil icon, and hit Edit. Move your most used toggles, like QR scanner or mobile hotspot, to the very top so they're available with just one swipe. 20. Modes and routines. This is Samsung's best kept secret. Create a sleep routine that turns on Eye Comfort Shield in grayscale at 11 p.m. or a work routine that silences notifications when you arrive at your office. GPS coordinates. 21. Separate app sound. If you like listening to podcasts while your kids watch videos, go to Sounds and Vibration and enable separate app sound. You can force Spotify to play through Bluetooth speakers while YouTube plays on the phone speakers. 22. Edge panels. Swipe in from the handle on the right. Tap the gear icon to add the tools panel. It gives you a quick compass, surface level, and ruler without needing extra apps. 3. Good Lock. Finally, head to the Galaxy Store, not the Play Store, and download Good Lock. It's Samsung's official power user app that lets you redesign your task changer, clock face, and even the keyboard in ways the standard settings won't allow.